Hey everybody, today's video is being done in collaboration with Aishu's Crafty Kids Club, as well as some other amazing artists. Before me was I'm a Dutch Kiwi with Anita, so in case you missed it, please go back and take a look. So basically what I have here is I have a silicone pet mat on top of a hard dog tray. And I'm just putting some glue to try and make a barrier so the resin doesn't go past this point. For today's piece, I am making a kitchen backsplash, which is going to represent Father's Day in the park. So please stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Sunny day, no worries or stress. Picnic blankets spread on the green, smell of sunscreen, the sweetest scene. Flying kites, soaring in the sky, echoing joy as clouds pass us by. It's Father's Day at the park, love and laughter lighting up the dark. In this moment, we're all one, making memories under the sun. Laughter fills the air, the sun shining bright. Fathers and their children, a beautiful sight. Running through the grass, with pure joy they play. On this special day, celebrating Father's Day, they kick the ball, it soars up to the sky. Happy little faces, oh my, dads cheer them on, with love in their eyes, creating memories that money can't buy. Go back and forth, higher and higher. Kids with wide smiles, soaring like a flyer.
Okay, so it's 4 hours since I poured the first layer, and it is pretty stable. Like, it's not going to run off, so I'm going to go ahead and put my pool noodles under there to give it a little shape. Alright, so we'll leave this until tomorrow. I think it looks pretty interesting so far. Okay, so it's the next day, and I'm just going to cut off the excess that I have here. This little glue trick didn't work exactly how I like. I do think it helps to prevent most of the resin from just going over. When I've done this in the past, I've just used a little crushed glass or something to stop it, but I didn't want that crushed glass look on the top. And I will keep this to put into another project where it's gone over.
Flow in this beauty. hero in my eyes. You never leave my side. You work so hard, give it all you got. A provider and a rock, you're the strongest one I've got. Through the highs and lows, you're always there with open arms. You're showing me that you care. You're my shelter in the storm, my guiding star, my guiding star. A love that's forever, no matter where we are. You're my forever strong, my guiding force. You're the strength in my bones, my north, my course. A father's love, a never-ending devotion. You'll always be my hero, my eternal emotion. A father's love, a never-ending devotion. You'll always be my hero, my eternal emotion.
So I'm just removing a couple that I'm not so happy with. So the size of this bench just doesn't look right up here. So I'm going to take that off, and then I removed one here because I had too many bubbles. I have some tape here. I'm going to just add that to the bottom underneath so that the resin doesn't seep all over the place.
In the park, we spend the time. Laughter fills the summer air. Father's love, the uncompared. Play and compare, playing catch under the sky, chasing dreams. Oh, so high in your smile, I find my spark. On this special Father's Day at the park.
Taslima Maya Art is next, so please go head over to her channel, and thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day.